Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by and I hope you will subscribe on your way out. Today I have for you not an unboxing because I've already unboxed it because I got it from Poshmark, so I had to go ahead and accept the package, so I just wanted to make sure that it was the correct thing. This is a Patricia Nash bag. So if you haven't heard of Patricia Nash, this is my first bag that or anything that I have from her. She makes bags, I think, I haven't researched it, but bags based on her travel. Like she'll find a dress that she loves the print on and she'll make that print into a bag, or there is a line, like a colorway, I guess you'd call it, of her bags that is a map. That's not for me, but a lot of people love it. Let's see, there's also leather. Well, most of her stuff, if not all of her stuff, is leather. Now, a lot of her items are, I feel, a little too mature looking for me, but that's just me. But I found this one and I thought, you know what? Actually, I think it came up on a YouTube recommendation or something. And I thought, that's really cute and it's really functional. If you've watched any of my handbag videos, you know that I like functional, right? So this is functional and I was really excited to get it. Usually I'm not like super like waiting for a bag when it's coming in the mail. I was really excited about getting this bag. It came in the dust bag. Like I said, I did get it from Poshmark and it's brand new, has the tags, and it's really cute. So here it is. This is the Bianco, B-I-A-N-C-O, Bianco bag, and it is leather all the way around. There are no feet because of the way it's, you know, has like little compartments. And then this is, I think they call it hair calf, I think, and it has like a brushed gold, antique gold hardware with her logo. You see that with her logo there in the front. Interesting thing about this bag is that it is crossbody. It can be crossbody. So I have it on the shortest length right now, and that's what you'll see when in the mod shots, the shortest length. The long one would be really long. So this would be good for people who like their bags really long, or maybe just tall girls or guys who prefer to have a really long strap. But it also comes with a wristlet, so you can attach and unattach this wristlet. There's a little grommet there. And the interesting thing about the bag just in general, there are a lot of interesting things because it's a cool bag. The long strap comes off completely and it's buttoned underneath, so I'll show you that. So you could technically carry it with no straps. Both of them could be off and you could just carry it as a clutch if you wanted to. There's just the push tab closure there, and the inside is, I guess that's raw leather, I guess. I'm not sure. Now, I know that I've talked about leather on this channel, and you know, I love to smell my leather goods, my leather bags and stuff. This leather smells so good. Nothing like Coach smells, nothing like Dooney smells, nothing like Louis Vuitton smells. This leather is like a different caliber of good smelling leather. Take my word for it. I'll put, I don't know if I can find like the color of this. It's a really dark brown and it almost has a burgundy tinge to it, but it's not burgundy. It is definitely brown. I knew getting the bag that, I don't know if you can see them maybe right there, some little discolorations, and the person who listed it said that she didn't even know that it was there until she took the picture. And really, when you're just looking at the bag, I mean, you can see it maybe a little bit, but it's not enough to deter me from wanting to use it. Okay, so like I said, this comes unbuttoned, so you can just unbutton the strap if you want. And it has 1, 2, kind of 3 areas, but it's really functional. Okay, so first of all, let me just button that so that you see. So first of all, on the front, you see the 2 buttons here. So unbuttoning it, they unbutton, and you have like a wallet, like more than a full-size wallet in there. So place for your ID. There are two card slots here, and then a long like spot for money. And then there is a spot here. And then here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots here, and a zipper here, so you can put change, and that is lined with, I don't know if that's suede or if it's microfiber. It's hard to tell because the whole bag smells so good that you really can't tell what's what. But so there's another pocket there. So that folds up, and what I've seen, I watched a couple videos of ladies who have this bag, and they like it because they can just open the bag and grab their card like right here, because it's easy. I mean, if you want to unbutton it, you can, or if you want to leave this completely unbuttoned all the time, you can do that and just fasten it here. Okay, there's like a little scratch right there, a couple little scratches, but to be honest, those things just don't bother me. And actually, now that I'm rubbing it, it's almost rubbing itself out. That's good. Okay, so that's that part. And then the second part is, let me get that little packet out, a little compartment here, and there's a little elasticized, kind of, not too much elastic, but a little pocket for whatever right there. And this is really soft lining. I still can't tell if it's the same lining as what this is. Okay, and then there's a zipper. And, okay, so the zipper is like a nylon, maybe? Nylon. So a good place if you want to put coins or something like that so that it doesn't mess up the bag. And I still have the paper in it. And then there's this compartment, which is a pretty big compartment there by itself. And there's also another zipper on the back wall. And here's the registration card. Let's see if it says the color on here. So the color is Leopard TBCO. I don't know what the TBCO means. Leopard TBCO, whatever that means. Okay, we know it's leopard, but okay. And then on the back wall, there is also another pocket that has a magnetic closure button. So that's pretty cool. Perfect place for my phone. I always like somewhere to put my phone on the back or front of my purse so that it doesn't have to, so I don't have to go into my purse to get it. So, like I said, you can take these off if you don't want them there. I will take this one off because I really don't use wristlets as wristlets, so I'll probably never use that. One thing that I found that some ladies talked about was, you notice how easily that went in? So they were saying that sometimes it just comes undone, so that's something that I will have to be sure and watch out for. Maybe it's just too easy of a push lock. I don't know. The bottom, you can see, has those like compartment areas there. The sides look like that, so you can see like the 3 main areas. And I will put the measurements here for you. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stuff in here and see how much I can downsize out of, you know, little card cases and stuff like that. See how much I can downsize to get into this bag. So I'll be right back. So I got everything in here and it's pretty stuffed. So I didn't take every single thing out of every little card case and pouch that I have, and I'll kind of explain that in a second. So this is what it looks like. In the little wallet part, I pretty much got everything in here. I actually have some card slots open, and I really could have taken some stuff out of this one, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. My ID is in here. I just turned it around. I put some extra cards and stuff back here, business cards and stuff. My most used cards are right here. My money I put this way, so it, you know, because this technically could fall out if I'm not careful, but it's not going to fall out of here, so I put the money there. It didn't really, it fit in the zipper portion, but just not comfortably. You know, I want it to just slide in there and be easy, and it didn't really in here. So in here, I just put some extra cards, business cards, insurance cards. I put those in here. So I do definitely have enough room for at least 4 other cards here, because I doubled up on 2 places here, I think. All right, so in the smaller little portion, I just have my sunglasses and my glasses, and then a pen down in there. Most of the time when I'm out and about doing whatever, I always have my sunglasses. So normally, rather than putting them back in my purse, I will just stick them on my head. So usually my glasses don't go into my purse until I get home. So that's something, you know, for me to think about if I really need to put them in there or not. In the bigger section, I have my Louis Vuitton clay. I did stick, so all that I have in here anyway, I have my house key, I have my car key in there, family's houses keys, some of my family's houses keys, is that right? And I put my lip balm in there, so that's in there. And I put a hair tie down in there, just kind of loose by itself. Now, this is what I was talking about here. So if you see my video, videos, you know about this. So this has a lot of different cards in it. And I could pull all of those out and free up a lot of space and just stick them like in the zipper pocket where I put my insurance cards. I could stick those in there and it would free up some space. I just didn't feel like doing it right now. So this, I could be gone with it. It'll be totally fine. But I just put that in there for now. And then in the very back, I have my hand wipes. And then I don't have anything in either, I don't think, let me make sure. Yeah, I don't have anything in either of the zip pockets. So I don't have anything here and I don't have anything back here. I can't show you what it looks like as far as the back pocket and putting my phone there because I'm recording on my phone. So I can't do that, but that's definitely where I would put my phone. So I can absolutely free up more space in here to make it a little more comfortable, but I just didn't want to do it right now. I am, like I said, super excited about this bag. One thing I didn't point out are the little embossed, it's her logo. You can find these fairly easy, so I'll link a few down below for you. Okay, so I think that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I hope you're staying safe, and I hope you will like this video, and hope you'll come back and visit my channel. I will talk to you soon.